Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to duplicate a board in monday.com. So if you're working here in monday.com and you need to duplicate a board, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into your account. And once when you log in, you will be redirected here as the home page. And from the home page, you need to open any board that you want to duplicate. For example, if I'm working on this board and I need to duplicate it, so what do I need to do? First of all, let me tell you why do people duplicate boards. For example, if you are working on this one particular board and you can't experiment much on this one and you need a similar structure board to experiment on, then you can duplicate it without ruining the authenticity or the legitimacy of this board. That's when you can do it. Or there are many other options as well. For example, if you like this structure, the structure of this board, and if you want another board with a similar structure without these items and variables, then you can duplicate a board. There are many reasons to duplicate a board, but I guess you should always duplicate it according to what you need. So if I need to duplicate this board, what do I need to do? I need to come here. Now this is the board that I'm working on. You can just resemble it from here, the board title, and here the title as well. So what are we going to do? We're going to click on these three dots and then we're going to click duplicate. Now, once when we do it, you can see we can select a new name for this board. I'm going to select it by Lundwork 2. Oh, sorry, Lundwork 2. And now here it is asking that, what kind of duplicated board do you want? Like, do you want the board structure only? You want the structure and items, and you want each and everything to be duplicated, like the structure, the item, and the updates. If you want each and everything to be duplicated, you can click this. If you only want the board structure and the item, you can click this. And if you only want the structure, nothing else, then you can click this. So that's completely up to you. If I click this, and it will also give us an option of keeping the subscribers. If you want to keep the subscriber as it is, you can just check it. Or if you don't want the previous subscribers, if you want new subscribers, then you can keep it just as it is. And if you click on this, the board will be successfully duplicated. Here you go. Now this is the duplicated board. The structure is as it is. You can just let me just go back here. You can see the structure is as it is with the locations and everything. The location is also there, but the items are not there because we did not duplicated the items. We only duplicated the main structure, I would say that. So that is how you duplicate a board. Let me just delete it. And let me just duplicate it one more time with the items and stuff. So let's see what happens. Here you go. Now the items are also there. Each and everything is there. So that's how you duplicate a board. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.